How to find Windows product key. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to find your Windows 10 product key. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can just follow up this method and you should be able to find your product key as well. So for that, it is super easy. You just need to head over to the search bar in your Windows and then type in regedit. You can just go ahead and type in that and open up your registry editor in your device. Just go ahead and click on open and give access. Click on yes, and registry editor should be opened up. And under here, locate this HKey local machine, and once there, go to software. After going to software, you're gonna go ahead and locate this option called Microsoft from here. Scroll down to the section and locate up Microsoft. And after opening up Microsoft, drop it down as well. And under this Microsoft section, scroll down until you're able to find the option called Windows NT. This one right here. And once you find up your Windows NT again, drop it down as well. After that, go to this current version section and drop down the current version as well. And go and select this software protection platform. And this one right here, backup product key. This is the one. This is your product key on your Windows 10. So you can also follow up the same method in order to find up your Windows 10 product key as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.